Okay guys, the zipper's in. We need to do more buttering of this tail. So again, the reasoning behind the buttering is just to give the fabric a little more body so that when I go to actually put the silicone that looks like scales on, it will have a more consistent fabric to grab against. So that's all this is for. Okay, and here we are with the section with the zipper. So we are turned right side out, and yeah, it actually turned out to be like a hidden stitch when all was said and done. And I'm just gonna try and get the silicone sort of as close to the zipper as I can. But I suspect I actually chose a decent color zipper and it'll probably end up disappearing sort of between the silicone and the glitter and everything, so yay. Who'd have thunk? Yeah, we are buttering up. Okay, here we go. The last of the initial buttering of the tail. There's the zipper that we put in earlier. And you can see I've taken the silicone like right up to the edge of that seam. And I just need to go kind of here. I'm gonna leave the top like 1.5 inches or so on its own until I can actually put the whole thing on and establish that, yep, that's good. So let's finish it off. Couple kind of light spots over here that I probably want to hit a bit more too. Which, you know, though, just as I'm like getting to the end, now I feel like I'm really getting pretty good at this. Hello, cameraman Ted.
Hello.
Now that some of that other silicone has dried, I can kind of see the little spots that I didn't quite get. But I mean, it's not like it has to be solid, so it's just to give it body and something to stand against when I try and put some scales to it. I might have to redo my blue hair to go with my mermaid tail.
For the first swim in it.
Yeah. And of course, glitter, because, you know, glitter. I'm pretty pleased with how the glitter has actually stuck to the silicone. Because like down here, I can kind of do that and really nothing comes off on my hands.
Right.
And that's, so it's just contact, it's not being pressed in or anything, so. We are buttered.